Guys, welcome back to my channel. All right, it's all about Google Admob and how to make money without referral. Very easy. Get an app registered under Google Admob, and you make money from it. All right, so this is my payments record for the last month. All right, I earned 13 million from September. Can you see it? This is my payment proof. So my previous phone was very bad. I had to get another phone. I had to get this phone, my Samsung phone, which is this 25 Ultra. All right, from this my payments over here. All right, this is my look, and my dashboard. Let me show you guys my dashboard. This is it here. Okay, this is for my payments. All right, this is for my dashboard over here. Can you see? $9,000 in 1 month. Look at in 1 day. All right, you might ask, okay, how does this stuff work? All right, very simple. Have an app. All right, I create apps, different apps. All right, register it on under Google Admob. Google doesn't need you to advertise or referral. Is no. Have an app, register it. Let the app be solving an issue. All right, let it be engaging. This is one secret that most people don't know. All right, and then if you have an app on Play Store and your earnings is in cents, all right, I have a way out of it. All right, I've been into this game for a long time. You can go through my videos. My payment proofs are out there since last 3-4 years ago. All right, this is my for September 13 million. Look at what people to have helped so far. It's my anniversary. Can you see? So can you see? So if you want to know more about Google Admob, all right, my link is below. The requirement is very simple. Have a smartphone, have an NIN or a passport. All right, get an app from me. I'll show you how to use my anti-ban. You won't get banned, is guaranteed. Okay, so guys, let me show you my what's it called. Look at other people too. Look at verified already. Let me show you guys something so quickly. So these are apps that I've created so far. These are apps. I have a quiz app. Can you see? This is my quiz app. Can you see? I created this app. This is number 1 app. Number 2 app was a video downloader. Can you see? It's coming up. It's coming up. Can you see? Choose English. All right. Okay. All right. Choose English. Yes. All right. This is it here. Can allow it here. Can you see this stuff here? Can you see? You paste your link. You can download any app, and this app is available for sale. This on that app, and look on that app also too. I have a puzzle app here for sale. Choose your monster you want. Can you see? It's all functional. Okay, it's all functional. Okay, have other apps for sale. Very much apps, plenty. I look at my Android, my Admob script. Don't worry, if you want to learn more about this on how I make 30 million in a month, my link is below. Chat me up. Okay, thanks so much guys. See you in my next video. Bye.